Practicing my languages while cooking. Today I'm going to show you how I make a simple nasi goreng using a basic ingredients. 한국에서는 볶음밥이라고 하는데 같은 볶음밥이어도 재료랑 양념이 달라요. For this recipe, I'm usually using a salad, but I have some bell pepper and also a traditional Indonesian red spice paste that's been finely ground. Actually, it's simple, aromatic, and perfect for daily cooking, especially for Indonesian foods. So next step is heat a pan over medium heat, add a bit oil and butter, also 1 egg, then scramble it like this. Add the sliced salad and saute them until slightly golden. This step is important. Now it's time to add the red spice paste. Cook it slowly and stir continuously until the oil separates and the aroma really comes out. Add the cooked rice into the pan. Break it up gently and mixing everything together until the rice is evenly coated with the spices. Add some seasonings such as soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and pepper powder. Then add the bell pepper, stir, fry briefly to keep a bit of crunch. Keep stirring over medium heat until the rice is well combined. At this point you can just adjust the seasoning to taste it. So in making delicious, it's almost done, but before that I'll be plating the dish, just make it for fun, which is honestly my favorite part. And I serve the fried rice with some fresh green lettuce like this, and then also I'm using a sliced boiled egg and tomatoes on the side, and I'm just plating it the way I feel like this because it's really fun. Finally, today cooking is all done and this is how it looks like. Thank you for watching. See you again.